I'm hoping this will capture the sound of the buzzing that I could not replicate in the Apple Store. It's coming from behind here. It's not coming from my speakers. Those are unplugged. It only happens when I attach the power cord. To the monitor. Watch, I'll unplug it. The buzzing will stop. And plug it back in. We'll see it start back up. You can already hear it. Here comes the display.